how can you find the center of any circle? Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. I got a really quick tip for you today. We use a lot of wooden circles, so many that instead of making my own, it just makes more sense for me to order some from somebody else and get them in here. The problem is though, I need to know where the center of these circles is, and I don't know where that is when I order these guys in. How do you find that? Well, I'm going to show you today. It's really easy. Okay, we have our wooden circle, a sharp pencil, a tape measure. You could also have a ruler if you wanted to use a ruler. And I happen to have, this is completely optional, a digital angle finder. And I will show you more about this in just a minute. If you don't have one of these, that's okay. You can use a board that you know has a 90-degree cut right here. Now, how do we find the center point in this random circle? We could guess at it, we could estimate at it, but there is a geometric rule that you may remember from high school. I never thought I'd be using my high school mathematics in woodworking like this, but here we go. All right, the rule says all perpendicular bisectors pass through the center point. I'll say that again. All perpendicular bisectors pass through the center point. To put that in English, okay, perpendicular means that something's going to be coming in at a 90-degree angle. This is perpendicular. And a bisector is something that goes from one side to another right in the middle. So if it's 4 inches between my fingers, 2 inches and 90 degrees up from that line is a perpendicular bisector. Now that all may seem kind of mysterious. That's okay. I'm going to show you. Here we go. I'm going to take my ruler or my tape measure and I'm going to go, let's just say 5 inches at a point, any point on the circle where it's 5 inches across. I'm going to mark 2.5 inches there. And I'm also going to strike a line. Okay, it doesn't have to go all the way across. Now, I'm going to go down here also at another point. I'm going to do 5 inches again. I'm going to mark 2.5 inches. I'm going to strike a line. There we go. All right. Now, I'm going to take my digital angle finder. We'll turn it on. There we are. We're at 0 degrees. I'm going to move it out. There we go until we get to 90. There we go. Uh-oh. 90 degrees. Now we know we're locked in. I'm going to take this. I'm going to put one end of my angle finder on the line. I'm going to use the other one to go to my halfway point, and I'm going to draw that perpendicular bisector. There we go. That right there is 90 degrees. Now we'll do the same thing here. Draw a line. That right there is 90 degrees. And this point right here is the center of our circle. Amazing little piece of geometry. Who would have known? All right, there we go. Really quick and easy. So I did sacrifice one of these so we could draw our stuff on here, find our center point. Now I've drilled me a little hole here, and now I can use this as my template. You see there, the pencil comes through. I can use this as a template to mark all the others, and then I can lay off my lines from there and do my thing, yada, yada, yada. Hey, if you like this video, and we're doing things like this all the time, so please subscribe to our channel. Come and see us often. We'd love to have you here. Thanks a lot for being here. I hope you got something out of this. Have a great day. I am hot. I'm fixing to go get in front of the fan. See you. Have a great day.